everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Zube Food Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best party size Ghanaian or African donuts. This is a very tasty and quick recipe and I'm sure you are all going to love it. If you are interested, please keep on watching this video with me, and if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. Don't forget to hit the notification button on the right hand side so that you don't miss any of my recipes. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. So now let's get right into this recipe. You need salt. You can also add some vanilla extract. I'm showing it to you now, but I'm not going to add it this time. You also need some ground nutmeg. You need half a cup sugar or 100 grams sugar, half a cup of fresh milk. You also need 3 medium-sized eggs. You need 310 grams plain flour and 115 grams of melted butter. You also need some fresh vegetable oil to deep fry and some baking powder. In a bowl, add 310 grams plain flour or all-purpose flour. Next, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Next, add 100 grams of sugar. Now add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it and add half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and mix it again. The next step is to make a little hole in the middle and add in 3 medium-sized eggs. In the meantime, melt the butter in the microwave. Now add half a cup of fresh milk and add the melted butter to it. Make sure your butter is not too hot. Okay? Now mix everything together. Mix it gently, but make sure everything is well combined. After you've mixed everything, this is the donut batter you should achieve. Now heat up some fresh vegetable oil, and when the oil is hot enough, drop in the donuts. I'm using my hands to do it and I'm scooping little size because these are party donuts. If you can't do it with your hands, please use 2 spoons. But make sure you scoop it very little. We want our party size donuts to look nice in our takeaway bags or takeaway boxes. Please do not overcrowd the oil with too many donuts. If not, they will become very oily and it will not be nice. And it won't even fry very well. My dear friends, my Ghanaian party size donuts are ready. I'm going to take them out and let the oil drain on kitchen towel. These donuts are looking so amazing. My dear friends, these are my wonderful party size African donuts, and this is a close-up as usual. And you know me now, I'm going to open it up in 2 for you to see how wonderful it looks like inside. So look at this now, nicely fried, soft and fluffy. I think my donuts are sexy. Yes, I'll call it sexy donuts. So guys, since these are party size donuts, I'm going to pack them in my takeaway bags and they are looking so cute. So this is it, guys. So if you want to make them for your party, for a birthday, this is how wonderful it will look like. this is it, guys. My donut recipe, my Ghanaian or African size party donut recipe. And as I said, it is quickly done, very easy, very tasty. Normally you are not going to fail this donuts, but the only tip I can give is that if you think your butter is maybe too soft, you can add a little bit more flour to it. Okay, I will also leave the ingredients in cups down below. I'm so sorry, here we use grams. I'm so used to using grams, that's why I hardly ever use cups, but I'm going to add these measurements now. And I also wanted to thank you guys for watching our vlog, like my son did, for all your support. We need more people like you everywhere. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. See you soon. Bye. Don't forget to leave me comments. Bye.